How to fix PayPal limited account. Has PayPal restricted your account? Here's how to fix a limited account step by step. So, first log into PayPal and you'll see a banner, a notification about limitation. So, go to Resolution Center and this shows the reason for limitation and what actions are required. Now, submit the requested documents. PayPal may ask for proof of identity, address, or business records, so upload them directly in the Resolution Center. Confirm your linked bank or card. PayPal sends a small charge with a code. Enter it to verify. Now wait for PayPal's review. This usually takes 2 to 5 business days, so you'll get an email once the limitation is lifted. If documents are rejected, contact PayPal support. And that is how to fix PayPal limited account.